Hello and welcome. Today I will tell you how to do basic quilling without quilling tools. For this we need some A4 sheets. We need some stick. If you don't have this type of stick, you can use toothpick as well. For this I am using a CD we are making a diya and some glue. First of all, we will start cutting thin strips from our A4 sheet. After cutting these thin strips, we will take this stick and we will start folding or rolling this strip on this stick. So start rolling it and hold this strip tightly. Once it gets rolled, we will keep it out. We will bring this quill out and we will loosen this quill. Now in the end we will spread some glue, and after spreading some glue we will hold this quill from top part and we will press its top part. Now this will give a shape of a leaf to this strip. So we will make some leaves from different colors. Now after making these quills, we will start pasting these quills on this CD. Spread some glue and start arranging these quills. Arranging our white quills in this between the space given in this green quills. Now let's arrange these white quills . White quills, we will take our saffron color quills and we will start arranging these saffron color quills. After arranging these orange quills, I am taking some pearls just to decorate this. So here I have decorated this with pearls, some white pearls and some black pearls. So basic quilling diya is ready. You can put your diya here